Want to organize your lock screen and tidy up your notifications so they're easier to review? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to group notifications on your iPhone home screen. Now let's get started. To group and organize your notifications on your iPhone lock screen, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Notifications. At the top, select Stack. This will change the way your notifications are displayed so they're grouped together instead of all listed individually. Apple Intelligence will group notifications by app. You can tap on a stack of notifications to open it and see all of the notifications individually. That's all it takes to group notifications on your iPhone lock screen. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.